How's it going, everybody? Happy New Year. I am Jason Howard, and we're starting off the year with cables. And not just any cables, these are 12-foot nylon braided cables from vCharged. Right now, vCharged makes the longest lightning cable you can buy for your iOS devices. These cables come in pink, gray, white, and black. They also make micro USB and USB Type-C cables with the same length. Now, because these cables are nylon braided, they will outlast the cables that came with your phone. The cables also come with a 1-year guarantee, so if you have any problems, just give vCharge a call. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would I need a 12-foot cable? Well, there are a lot of practical applications for such a long cable, so I'll give you a few reasons why. So maybe you're a taxi driver or a rideshare driver. A 12-foot cable is more than long enough to reach the back seat of your car. Your passengers will have the option to sit back comfortably while their device is charged during their trip. If you're at an airport or a coffee shop where you have to share a power source, having a 12-foot cable will ensure that you're not encroaching on someone's personal space. And I don't know about you guys, but I like the option of having a long cable. I'd rather have it than not need it, you know what I mean? So the USB Type-C cable will make a great accessory for your mobile devices. As you can see here, I'm using it with my Nintendo Switch and my little power brick. For the Nintendo Switch, I will say that it did not work when I tried to plug it into the dock. I don't know why, it just doesn't work. Now, I'm not recommending you do this, but I have these cables tied in a deployment knot. That just makes it easy to store or hook onto my backpack if I want to. I've had these cables for quite some time, and tying them like this has not had any negative effects whatsoever. But yeah, guys, these are 12-foot cables by vCharged. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to pick some up. These are not affiliate links, and vCharged was not a sponsor of this video, but I want to make sure that you get the best price. Again, Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.